we are going to talk about our vocabulary. Not really getting into grammar, but in terms of the choice of words in our interactions and in our conversations. There is a saying, what we say is what we become. And there is no denying the fact that words are really, really powerful. So we can decide whenever we are in a given situation as to whether our words are positively oriented or are positive or are negatively oriented or negative. Okay, when we are in a negative situation, do you end up using words which magnify the negativity of the situation, or are they realistic? For example, if you are in a negative situation, would you tell yourself or would you say out loud, oh my god, this is really terrible, this can't be happening to me, this can't be happening to me all the time, why me, etc., etc.? Or do you say, it's really, really bad that this has happened, but it has happened, I don't like it, but it has, and there is nothing much I can do about it than accept it at this point of time. You see the difference in the drama in both this sentences, right? Similarly, when you are in a positive situation, do your words magnify the positivity, or do they completely demagnify it by doubting the positivity of the situation? So for example, when something good happens to you, do you end up saying things, or do you end up saying things like, really, is this for real, is this really happening, I'm not sure that this is really that good? Or do you end up saying, wow, that's great? Because it's not very easy to accept a positive situation too. When someone gives you a compliment, do you end up giving justifications about why you are looking good today, or are you gracious enough to say thank you for the compliment? Okay. Similarly, coming to the third situation, it could be a neutral situation. When someone asks you, how are you? Do you say, I'm fine, or do you end up using negative words like not so bad, right? Or getting better. I mean, getting better is fine, but do you end up using words which are negative? Now, when you end up using words which are negative, it has a different kind of impact on the brain as against when you use positive oriented words. So do make a conscious effort. A lot of times we are not aware of it. Okay, saying, when someone says a sorry to you, when you say it's alright, versus when you say no problem, here you're focusing on problem, here you're focusing on alright. Very small thing, but it makes a lot of difference. So do make a conscious effort and see how it works. That's it for today. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch all our videos, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.